What's up, party people? It's Michelle M. Trey Hollis, the CEO of VisionBoard Music and Vision for the Soul. And I am so excited because today is Fortune Friday. You know what that means? Maybe you don't, but now you do. Because what it is that today we get to come and co-create using the law of attraction principles in my exciting experience, the Fortune 100 MasterMind LaunchPad workshop. We do this every Friday. We come together, we start out, have some music while you lunch and launch. Everyone that's participating puts their information, their business, their cause in the chat. We dance for a good 30 minutes in what I call the manifestation money mixer. And then we also get to, after that, really lean in to our intentions for the coming week. Because what I know and I have figured out is that when we are creating in fun and excitement with like-minded people, it just really just gets those rockets of intention out into the universe that come back in the ROI that spends like cash. So I'm just really excited about it, and I invite you to come. What I'm really excited about is because, and in celebration of launching my website, which is visionboardmusic.org, that's visionboardmusic.org, I am so excited that if you go to my website and check it out on my behalf and subscribe to the newsletter when that opportunity presents itself, then you will get yourself a golden ticket entry into our experience in the workshop today. So you have plenty of time. The workshop doesn't start until noon Mountain Standard Time, and that goes from noon to 1:30. Again, the first half an hour is just melting off the stress and your cares away in a dancing environment with good music and other like-minded creatives and thought leaders. And then after that, we just go into celebrating the wins for the week together. We go into a master pitch by elevated beings together. And then we also do get grounded with a grounding exercise of guided meditation. And then we go ahead and do some creative visualization, all together, all guided, all with music and all in good fun, so that we can put the fun back in business. You know what I'm saying? This life was not meant to be stressful and struggle. This life was not meant to be negativity and fear. We are meant to co-create in a joyous and wonderful way. And when we do so for ourselves, we actually liberate everyone around us. So come and join me today. Go ahead, check out my website and sign up for my newsletter, and you will receive a golden ticket entry into the Fortune 100 Mastermind Launchpad Workshop. And that's today. So we're excited to see you. Can't wait. Everybody say, hey, for Fortune Friday, and have a good day. This again is Michelle Hollis with Vision Board Music and Vision for the Soul, where we be in harmony.